Guadalajara's mariachi bands live life on the hoof, travelling around the city, mixing with people, playing an hour here, another hour there, as higher demands. So the arrival of COVID-19 in Mexico is a disaster for them. Alma Corona runs the city's only all-female troupe and knows every gig is vital.
Epidemic means stopping work. Epidemic means you have to make most of the public holidays. Stay away from public places. It means you take less money home at the end of the day.
She's not the only one to fear an outbreak in her hometown. The city of Guadalajara, Mexico's second largest, has a number of suspicious cases of COVID-19. And while supplies of surgical masks and antibacterial gel run low in local pharmacies, at the federal level, the government is urging calm and giving the press updates twice a day.
It's not a time to worry. It's a time to take action. It's not an emergency, but it is an epidemic. And the epidemiology of our public health system is the mechanism that protects us as a population.
But just as on the local scale, national business has been affected too. Guadalajara is a leading Mexican technology hub. Juan Pablo Castañeda runs a business that commercializes and distributes computer chips, and 80% of his products come from China.
Por lo cual extendió la parte laboral y empezó con una semana más después.
Given that China is not at full working capacity because the contingency plan prevented people from going back to work, we're seeing shortages in the products we sell. We're preparing for the coming weeks as the effects of the 4-week backup in China begins to be seen here.
With COVID-19 newly confirmed in Mexico, the country has had a little more time than others to prepare. But along with the medical quarantines it undoubtedly brings, many here in Guadalajara are bracing too for economic quarantine. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Guadalajara, Mexico.